Welcome back to Wheelwise Joe. If you're into tough, reliable ATVs that just get the job done, the next few minutes are going to be worth your time. Today we're talking about the all-new 2026 Honda TRX200, a machine that proves Honda is still listening to riders who want simplicity, durability, and real-world performance without unnecessary complexity. This ATV is built for people who actually use their machines, whether that's on the farm, on trails, or around property where reliability matters more than flashy gimmicks. The 2026 Honda TRX200 comes with a proven air-cooled engine that focuses on longevity and low maintenance. Honda has refined the power delivery to be smooth and predictable, making it perfect for beginners, younger riders stepping up to a full-size ATV, or experienced riders who just want a dependable workhorse. Throttle response feels controlled, not aggressive, which is exactly what you want when riding on uneven terrain or tight trails. One of the biggest strengths of the TRX200 is its rugged build quality. Honda has reinforced the frame to handle years of abuse, bumps, and heavy use. The suspension is tuned for comfort and control rather than racing, so it absorbs rocks, ruts, and small jumps without feeling unstable. This makes long rides less tiring and more enjoyable, especially for riders who spend hours on the machine. Honda has also paid attention to safety and usability. The braking system is responsive and confidence-inspiring, giving riders solid stopping power even on loose surfaces. The seating position is upright and comfortable, and the handlebars are positioned to reduce fatigue during longer rides. Everything about this ATV feels thoughtfully designed, from the footrest to the controls, which are easy to reach even with gloves on. What really makes the 2026 TRX200 stand out is its low ownership cost. Honda's reputation for reliability means fewer breakdowns and less time in the shop. Fuel efficiency is impressive, allowing you to ride longer without constantly refueling. Maintenance is straightforward, which is great for owners who prefer to work on their own machines. This ATV is not trying to compete with high-performance sport quads or oversized utility monsters. Instead, it fills an important gap by offering a balanced, dependable ride that anyone can enjoy. Whether you're hauling light loads, exploring trails, or learning the basics of ATV riding, the 2026 Honda TRX200 delivers exactly what it promises. If you appreciate machines that are built to last and perform consistently year after year, this ATV deserves your attention. Stay tuned to Wheelwise Joe for more honest reviews, real-world insights, and everything you need to know before your next ride.